Okay, this is my assignment 1 for real-time render. Okay, this is my program running result. You can see there are teapots rotating, and I use 3 different shading models. The left 3 are minute shading, using minute shading, and the middle 3 are using Feng shading, and the right one are non-photorealistic shading, that is tone shading. The left 3 are using minute shading, that is more realistic. And I also changed the minute constant K to be 0.1, 0.6, and 2. You can see the larger the minute constant is, the darker area, and the darker and the lighter it will be. And the smaller minute constant is, the darker area will be relevantly smaller or less obvious. You can see in the code that I have changed. The left one is using the minute shading, minute vertex shader, and fragment shader, and I changed the uniform variable minute constant. Let me see, minute constant. Yeah, here minute constant, and for the middle one I use the 0.6. For the upper one I use 2, lower one use 0.1. And you can see the minute shading, minute shader. Minute vertex shader is here, and fragment shader is here, and the minute constant is a uniform variable used here that controls the minute factor that affects the diffuse color. So the result, I also add the ambient light to render the models. And for the Feng shading, I changed the highness. I changed the shyness. The middle shyness is 32, and the lower one shyness is 8. The upper one shyness is 128. And you can see the shyness control the light area, like bulb, and the lower the shyness is, the area of lighter area will be larger. Area will be large. You can see I also used the uniform variable to control the shyness of corresponding shader. That is the simple fragment shader, that is using the Feng shading. You can see the shyness can control the specular part of this Feng shading model. And for the tone shading, for the right one I use tone shading, but then I change the color steps. The color steps can control the can control how many different levels the model are rendered. You can see the lower one have only 2 levels of shading, and the middle one have 5 levels. The upper one have 10 levels. I also use the uniform variable color steps here in the color step, and use the cell function to divide it into different levels, then control the diffuse part of the object of the shading model. So that's it. Thank you.